Kita masih remaja, usia anak SMA.
Wah, Sup, the motor broke down.
The correct one, Gil.
Yes, but I can fix it.
Who can fix it?
Calm down, there is a friend of mine who can fix it. Briefly, I call.
Alright, just use my handphone.
Assalamualaikum, Win. This is me, Agil. I want to ask your help.
Yes, me and my friend will be there soon. Irfan, take me a minute.
Yes, Brian. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Where can I see the damage is?
I ask your advice.
My suggestion, if you want to go on a motorcycle, you should change the tail of the bike.
Thank you for suggestion, Win.
Thank you. See you again.